children. Good evening. How are you? Hope you all are good. Now children, it's time to start our today's class where we are going to learn something very interesting. We are going to learn about the concept of germination. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the concept of germination. The learning objectives for this activity are: introduce the concept of germination, introduce the process of germination, enhance vocabulary, and stimulate listening skills. The resources for this activity: we need a picture card and a video. So let's start the activity. In our previous class, we have learned about farm, what is a farm, how farmer grow different fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, and then they sell them in the market. And we go to market and we buy them. And then we can eat them. But today we are going to see how farmer do this, how a small seed grows into a plant. But before that, I am going to recite a little seed rhyme for you and you have to listen. Okay?
A little seed for me to sow, a little soil for me to grow, a little home, a little patch, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, then a flower. Let's recite one more time. A little seed for me to sow, a little soil for me to grow, a little hole, a little patch, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower, a little while, then a flower.
So children, did you like this rhyme? Okay. Now, children, today we are going to learn how seed can grow into a plant. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about how a small seed grow into a plant. Children, we get plants from seeds, small tiny seeds, and that is why we all put seeds in the soil so that we can get a plant. When we put the seeds in the soil, it is called sowing of the seed. What it is called? When we put the seeds in the soil, it is called sowing of the seed. When we sow seeds in the soil, after some time, it begins to grow. And this is called germination. When we sow seeds in the soil, after some days, it begins to grow. And this is called germination. Germination is the process of seeds growing into a plant. What is germination? Germination is the process of a seed growing into a plant. Now, children, when we sow seed, the seed can grow on its own. They need something more. So, now I am going to tell you what plant need to grow.
Now, we are going to see what all thing does a seed need to grow. Children, when we sow a seed, it cannot grow on its own. It needs three things to grow. Now, we are going to see them one by one. First of all, when we sow a seed cannot grow on its own. It needs three things to grow. How many things, children? Three. First of all, the seed needs fertile soil. Now, what is fertile soil? Fertile soil means clean and soft soil. Seed needs clean and soft soil, which is fertile soil. And the other thing which the plant needs is this. The other thing which the seed needs to grow is sunlight. The seed needs warmth and light to grow. And the sunlight gives the seed the warmth and the light. What does sunlight gives to the plant, to the seed? It gives the warmth and the light for seed to grow. And the third and very important thing which seed needs to grow is water. You know now? Yes, we also need water now. Like that only, plants also need water. Plants can get water from rain. When it does not rain, the farmer water the plants using water sprinklers or water cans. And children, one more thing. The plant also need air. Yes, plant also need air to grow. We need clean air to breathe now. Yes, seed also need clean air to breathe so that they can grow. So can you tell me what all things does a seed need to grow? Let's see. They need, yes, soil, fertile soil, and we bring, yes, water, and sun. Yes, they need sunlight and they also need air.
So children, I'm sure that you all had fun knowing about the concept of germination. Now, I have a small homework for you for this Diwali break. What you have to do is you have to take a seed from your parent and then you have to sow that seed in your garden, in your small garden and in the soil with the help of your parent, and you have to give that seed water properly. And after Diwali break, when we are going to meet, you have to show me that plant, that how you have done this thing. I'm sure that you all are going to do this. Now it's time to say bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.